600% high brightness. SEALIGHT H11 LED bulbs kit are 6 times brighter than halogen bulbs. Super focused bright 6000K xenon white light enough to replace your yellow stock bulb. Warm tip. We are upgrading our packaging and you may receive one of 2 boxes randomly. 10 minutes installation. 1-to-1 design with halogen bulbs, plug and play, non-polarity socket. Just direct replacement of factory halogen bulbs, easy to install without any modification. 20-year lifetime. H11 LED light lifetime is 60 times longer than the stock lamp because of utilizes an advanced heatsink measuring just 0.72 inches and features a driver for increased performance. No need CAN bus adapter. SEALIGHT H11 bulbs anti-flicker, fanless design is compact and silent. Apply to 99% of vehicles' computers without throwing any error, no radio interference. If there is any issue, please contact us with Amazon buyer message to get help and solutions. IP68 Waterproof. The H11 LED bulb has been rigorously tested for durability and waterproof. You can drive in all kinds of weather conditions, whether it is raining, snowing, or heavy fog. Top reviews from the United States. Finally, some bright headlights. I bought these for my Prius, which if you don't know are notorious for dim headlights. They're set too low and there are times when they are entirely useless. I tried replacing them with new LED bulbs, which did not help at all. I researched what the brightest type of bulb you can buy and came across these. They fixed the issue entirely. Definitely recommend.